Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all you are fine and well. Today I am going to talk you a critical thing and a natural fact and a true fact. Okay, if I ask you, do you fear to your father? Probably you answer yes. Okay. And some of you say that no, I don't fear. If you don't fear to your father, that means you are not a good child. Okay. So I'm not telling that too much fearness to parents or too much fearness to father. I'm telling you that fearness of father. So today our lecture will be the little girl, that is for class ninth, that is for class ninth, and chapter number 3 as per CBSE board. Okay, so again I request you, if newly you are watching my video, please subscribe it without pressing the bell icon. You don't move from this video. Okay, if the video will be little bit long, don't be discouraged and listen it very carefully and see it very carefully, because you are going to know something interesting and something fantastic. Okay, in this story we may see there is a girl whose name was Kajia. Okay, whose name was Kajia. She was too much fearing to her father. We do not know what is the reason, but she has not dared to face her father. If we think about India, India is a country where most of the children, they fear to their father. Okay, even they are loving to their mother, they are spending a lot of time with their mother, and whenever they see that father is coming to the home, they fly here and there, and they wanted to hide themselves. Just they think that the ghost is coming or a giant is coming, like the same way. Okay, fearful is good, but too much fearful is not good. That I want to explain you, and that the narrator also, the writer also wants to explain us. And there is another thing. Sometimes we take misunderstanding to our parents, to our father. Okay, most of the time he scolds us, he rebukes us, and when he rebukes us for certain issues, okay, so we may think he's not a good fellow, he's not a good father. That's he's always scolding, he's always rebuking us. Sometimes we think it, but after some years we realize that my father was right and I was wrong, because he was thinking for the future, and so that reason he was always scolding me, don't do that, don't go there, don't play it, don't sit there, do it, do that, do this. All the time he was saying, and he was scolding like this. Finally we recognize that, and finally we understand that. Okay, so let me tell you this story with a summary, because this is not that much. There is no more characters. Okay, only 4 persons are there. Kajia is the girl, and a father, mother, grandmother, and Kajia has seen another father. Okay, there are only 5 characters, but 4 characters are important, and another character is not that much important. Okay, but we have to remind it in our mind. You know, that's very important to analyze character and remind the character in the mind. Okay, if we do not remind that in our mind, so definitely there will be confusion, and it will be little bit difficult to crack all the stories, and to understand whole the summary or whole the stories. Okay, so then let me start, because introduction is getting a little bit long. So, there was a girl whose name, as I mentioned to you, Kajia, and she was, she was absolutely fearing to her father. She had no dare to face her, and she was not going to face her father, and she was not going to talk with her father whenever her father inside of the home, and she was living with trembling. She was living with very trembling, and very shaking, and with very fearful life. So every morning her father says to her goodbye, and she gets usually a loving kiss, and she also says goodbye, but that was something fearfully. When she experienced that her father, went from the home, okay, she became very happy. Okay, her all burden and all fear, and she get a lot of relax there. So everything goes down. So that was the everyday's routine. Okay, that was the everyday's routine. And when there is Sunday, so father used to sit the living room, and there is a long sofa, and he used to sleep there, and with his handkerchief, he used to put that on the face, and with sound sleep. So he always sleep, and at the same time her mother also goes there, and she sits there and reads a newspaper, and at the same time grandmother sends her go and meet to the father. Okay, so somehow with very fearfully, and somehow with very trembling, she goes there and she faces with her father, she talks with her father. If her father asks something to her, she is answering, but with fearfully. Okay, with stuttering mouth, and with stuttering sound. She, that she, when she is speaking to somebody, she is speaking very fluently. She is speaking without stopping a word. But whenever she speaks to her father, she gets trembling and shaking, and her mouth is not working properly. That is the condition. So, such time, her mother says, if you are a good girl, so take the shoes, okay? Take the shoes or take the boot, and keep that in a particular place. If you are a good girl, take the teacup and put that on the table, etc. Her mothers also say like this. So that was the Sunday. So when her father woke up, and he wants to talk with her. Okay, he wants to talk with her, and such times she was fearing and answering with fearness. So the father says, "So why are you too much fearfulness, and why your face is being or looking like just like a person one who is going to commit suicide?" Okay, so why your face is looking like just an owl? So such kind of words he used, and very peacefully and humbly she was hearing all these things, because every Sunday that happens. Okay, every Sunday that happens. So one day, what happened that her grandfather said there is a birthday of her father. The birthday is very near, and that birthday she wanted to make something for her father. Okay, she wanted to make something for her father. So that she made something and like triangular shape, and she wanted to put there something, and so she was searching papers or something else, but somehow she entered to father's room, and she has seen there are some papers on the table, and without asking anybody she took all the papers and cut them, okay, piece by piece, and put that what she made ask for the present of her father, she put that inside of there. So actually that paper was not common paper. Okay, in that paper that is written, there was a speech, his father was going to deliver the speech, and her father written a speech, and that paper also she told, and by mistake. Actually, this is unknowingly, because she was very little girl, and she don't know what is written there, for what purpose that is written. She doesn't do anything else, and she just told them and cut them and put that inside of the triangular box what she made to give as a presentation for her father. Okay, so after some time, father came to home, and he was wandering here and there. He was searching the papers, but the paper he was not getting that, and he was asking to Kajia's mother, and almost everywhere they were wandering to get the papers, but they couldn't get anywhere. And finally, mother called to Kaji and asked, "Did you get that paper? And did you take that paper?" Very happily she said that, "Yes, I took, and I told them, and I done something." But she was about to tell that I made something for father's birthday gift. But she's supposed to say that, but she was scolded by her mother. Okay, and her father also told, take her out of this room. And she went with very fearfully. She was thinking that I was doing something precious for my father. I was doing something, surprise for my father. But sake of that reason, now I am, getting, I am being scolded. She was thinking, and she went somehow. After some time, her father come with a ruler. Okay, with a ruler, and she scolded her, and she said that the things which is not for her, she's supposed to not touch that. But she made the mistake, and that is why he held her hand tightly and bitten there, and with having so painful, she was crying. Okay, she was crying, and went to the bedroom. When she went to her grandmother's, near to her grandmother's, and her grandmother gave just like this kind of napkin or handkerchief, and said that, clean your nose, that you are blowing something, getting down something, the water from the nose, and tear from the eyes. But her grandmother also made her understand, actually she is supposed to not take that. Somehow she has taken, that was her mistake. Okay, that was her mistake, and due to that reason she has taken that. Now what is there? So he was thinking that in her mind, my father is not a good man. Okay, my father is not a good man. One day she has seen, there are some children, they are playing with their father. Okay, with their father. Some are, climbing here, some are sitting here, someone doing this, someone, holding very tightly. Such a game, playing a father with with the children. So that scene, Kajia has been seen, and also she thought, so there are father also like this, those who are playing with their children. My father never play with me. Okay, so my father is supposed to be like this fellow. She was thinking, and she thought that my father is not that much good man. So after some days, what happened there? There was something happened, and Kajia's mother become sick, and due to that reason, Kajia's mother has been admitted in the hospital, and Kajia's grandfather now he went, okay, to the hospital. Actually, previous grandfather and granddaughter, both of them they decided to go there, but finally it was decided she would be kept at home and grandmother only would be gone there. And there was a servant and a father only, and you know that there is no grandmother, there is no mother, only father and the servant of the home. And it was also difficult time for her, it was also very complicated time for her, it was also very fearful time for her, to whom she is fearing too much. Now how she can stay with him, that's also very questioning thing. So somehow she stayed there. So when the night time comes, so she thought, always a fear to nightmare. Okay, always a fear to nightmare. And she thought, when there is nightmare, I would go to my grandmother. And if today the nightmare would come, where I would go? Okay, where I will go? So she was thinking that, and she slept somehow. And night time, she has seen a dream that a butcher, he has come there to attack her. So when she has seen that, she absolutely felt, actually the little children, they are always watching and seeing such kind of dream. Okay, they are seeing such kind of dream. So that same thing is happening here, and she was absolutely feared, and she might be shouted. It is not written here. She might be shouted, and her father came there. Okay, her father came there, and she wake up, and when she wake up with fearfulness, then she has seen her father and got little bit relief. Okay, and got a little bit relief. Then after, her father took her to the bedroom. Then finally, she praised her father, and she said that my father is a very good man. Okay, then she understood that whatever her father done, means her father beaten to her. Okay, her father has been beaten to her. Why? Because of her mistake only. Without any reason, no father give punishment to their children. Okay, his children. So like the same way, if the father punished her, that means there is something mistake and there is something wrong. Okay, that was the main reason. And she understood that, and she realized that, then she spoke something soft word, that is like apologize. That is like apologized. So after talking all these things, and she said that to her father, what you did, that is for my mistake. I accept my mistake, and you are the most loving father and good father in the world. She praises to her father here. Okay, so children, I hope you must have liked this video. If you liked, don't forget to share it. Okay, don't forget to share it. Okay, may God bless you. Have a good day.